So today's topic is we are covering anatomical basis of injury to angina. Then we'll be covering biceps and triceps muscles, and also we'll be covering the nerves and vessels of arm. Coming to competencies, there are three competencies we are covering. That is the anatomical basis of injury to axillary nerve during intramuscular injection. Another competency is biceps and triceps muscles. And the third competency is important nerves and vessels in the arm. So first we start with the anatomical basis of injury to axillary nerve. Axillary nerve is a terminal branch of posterior cord. It exists axilla by passing through quadrangular space. It is accompanied by posterior circumflex humeral vessels. It divides into anterior and posterior divisions. Deep to deltoid muscle. It supplies deltoid and tibialis major muscles. It becomes cutaneous and supplies deltoid area and upper posterior arm. Coming to anatomical basis of axillary nerve injury. Axillary nerve is injured in 1% of individuals after intramuscular injection. The axillary nerve is 5 to 6 centimeters from the tip of acromion process. So, the intramuscular injection is to be given 3 to 5 centimeters from the tip of acromion process. Any injection given beyond 5 centimeters is likely to injure axillary nerve. So next we go to the other competency, that is the biceps and triceps muscles. Coming to biceps muscles, normally muscles are discussed in 4, that is origin, insertion, action and nerve supply. So first we start with the origin of biceps. So it has two heads. Long head takes origin from supraglenoid tubercle and the short head takes origin from coracoid process. Coming to insertion, it inserts into radial tuberosity and it also inserts through bicipital aponeurosis into posterior wall of ulna. So it has got two insertions. Action. The action of biceps muscle is flexion of elbow, and not only that, it is also a powerful supinator of arm, and the nerve supply of biceps muscle is muscular vagus nerve. Then we go to the triceps muscle. Triceps means three heads are there. So there are 3 heads, and the origin of triceps is long head is from intraglenoid tubercle. Lateral head is from the posterior surface of humerus above the radial groove, and the medial head again the posterior surface of humerus below the radial groove. So there are 3 heads. Coming to insertion, it inserts into superior surface of olecranon process of ulna. The action of triceps is extension of elbow. Nerve supply. The nerve supply of the triceps is very known. Long head and middle heads are supplied in the axilla, whereas the lateral head is supplied in the radial groove. So we have completed the biceps and triceps muscles, and we will be proceeding to important nerves and vessels in the arm. So first we will start with musculocutaneous nerve. This nerve is giving nerve supply to 3 muscles, that is coracobrachialis, biceps brachii and brachialis. It helps in the flexion of shoulder and elbow joint and supination of elbow. So these are the actions of the muscle supplied by it, and it arises from lateral cord. Coming to course of the musculocutaneous nerve, it enters the arm, it pierces and passes across the coracobrachialis muscle, then it is deep to biceps, then it emerges from the lateral border of biceps near the elbow to become musculocutaneous nerve or the cutaneous nerve. Here it gives cutaneous nerve supply to the lateral surface of forearm. We come to radial nerve. First we start the course. It arises from posterior cord. Then it is behind the axillary artery. It reaches the medial side of shaft of humerus. Then it enters spiral groove and passes the groove in between medial and lateral heads to reach the lateral side of humerus. Then radial nerve pierces the lateral intermuscular septum. It emerges in between the muscles brachialis and brachioradialis at the elbow, and in the elbow it divides into superficial and deep nerves. Coming to branches, so in different places it gives two different branches. In the axilla it gives three branches. They are long head of triceps, that is nerve to long head of triceps, nerve to medial head of triceps, and it gives one cutaneous nerve of posterior arm. Then coming to nerves given in the spiral groove, it gives lateral head of triceps, lateral cutaneous nerve of lower arm, then posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm. In the elbow, it gives branches to brachioradialis, extensor carta radialis longus, and anconeus. Finally, terminal, it gives terminal branches, the superficial and deep branches. The superficial is sensory, whereas the deep is the motor. Then we come to another, that is artery. First we discuss the brachial artery. Origin of brachial artery is at the lower part of teres major as the continuation of axillary artery. Termination. Near the neck of the radius, it terminates by giving two terminal branches, that is radial and ulnar artery. Course. Brachial artery course. It is on the medial side of shaft of humerus. Then it runs anteriorly to reach the middle of humeral epicondyles at the elbow. Its pulsations can be felt throughout the course. There is a rule of 3 in respect of brachial artery, that is, it runs on 3 muscles, that is, long head of triceps, coracobrachialis, and brachialis. Then it is related to 3 nerves, and the nerves are radial nerve, ulnar nerve, and medial nerve. It also gives 3 branches, and the branches are profunda brachii, the largest branch, then superior and inferior ulnar collateral arteries. Then we come to another, that is branch of brachial artery, arteria profunda brachii. This is the largest branch of brachial artery. It follows radial nerve in the radial groove. It divides into 2 terminal branches. One of the terminal branches is called middle collateral, also called as posterior descending. This artery anastomoses with interosseous recurrent artery. Then we have another terminal branch, that is radial collateral, also called as anterior descending. This artery accompanies radial nerve, pierces lateral intermuscular septum, and anastomoses with radial recurrent artery. Thank you.